Good morning, Sunday morning. Not a lot of dogs today, but later today, I got Crazy Gatsby with me, of course. We're gonna go walk with Jack, and then I'm gonna get Rowdy Dakota. We're gonna go walk with Jax, who's the new Doberman. They want to socialize him. I would bring Paisley, but she can get a little too intense, especially with a dog I've never group walked before. So just gonna do my guys with them, and then I'm sure everything will go fine, and then I'll introduce Paisley. So that is my plan for the day. Got to do my invoices, bunch of stuff at home. Beautiful weather. It was real chilly this morning, but it's 72 right now. Just gorgeous. I can't complain. Oh, buddy. So I'm going to tell you guys, I appreciate you watching, coming along with me. And as always, see you on the next one.